Physics, Part 165. So, the current, which fluctuates considerably, has produced unidirectional current. Rather than a constant direct current, nevertheless we have achieved what is called half-wave rectification. It is more satisfactory also to make use of the negative half cycles of the input and reverse their polarity. This process is called full wave rectification. One circuit used for the full wave rectification is illustrated. It uses 4 diodes arranged in a diamond pattern. It is called bridge rectifier circuit. The input terminals are P and Q. If P is positive during the first half cycle, the rectifier 1 and 2 on the opposite side of the diamond will conduct. In the next half cycle, the Q is positive and the rectifiers 3 and 4 conduct. Thus, the resistor acting as a load will always have its upper terminal positive and lower terminal as negative. The circuit has produced unidirectional current, but the output is still not a good approximation to the steady direct current required for most electronic equipment. We can improve the situation by inserting a capacitor across the output terminals of the bridge circuit. The capacitor charges up on rising part of the half cycle and then discharges as the output voltage falls. The effect is to reduce fluctuations in unidirectional outputs. This process is called smoothing. We shall consider the way a capacitor charges and discharges. For now, it is enough to understand that a larger value of the capacitance will generally give better smoothing. In the later chapter, we will see that the important factor of the time constant of the resistor capacitor circuit and how this compares with the time of the half period covering the fluctuation in the current. We've got section summary here. Alternating current or voltage is usually sinusoidal. The peak value is I0 or V0. The root mean square RMS value represent the effective values of the DC that give same heating effect. Mean power developed is peak power. A single diode gives half wave rectification. Negative half cycles are blocked. A bridge circuit of 4 diodes can give full wave rectification. A capacitor across the output reduces the fluctuations of the rectified output voltage. Section questions. A stereo system is 2 output channels, each connected to a loudspeaker of effective resistance 8.0 ohms. Each channel can deliver maximum average power output of 50 watt to its speaker. Calculate the RMS voltage and the RMS current fed to the speaker at this maximum power. Assume that the loudspeaker can be treated as a simple resistance. Number 2, the half-wave rectifier circuit of the figure 7.40 is used to rectify an AC input voltage of 240 voltage RMS. The output resistor has a resistance of 25 kilo ohms. A. Calculate the peak value of the input voltage. B. Estimate the average current in the output resistor.